Hi family, welcome back to another tutorial video, and in today's tutorial we are going to be making yarn braids. This tutorial is very short as I was unable to record with my camera. I had to record with my Android phone, so forgive the video quality. So I couldn't get a better position using my phone because I had to ask someone to help me record this whole tutorial video to hold my phone for me, so she was unable to stand in a position where I'll be able to show you guys what I did. But if you've seen my knotless box braid tutorial, you should be able to do this because this is also knotless yarn braids and we're making use of similar techniques, so it's nothing different that you've not seen before. What you want to do is place it in between your thumb and your index finger and braid it. So I'm using 6 pieces. You can tell she gave it to me 3 times. 6 pieces twice, that's 12, plus 4 pieces for the 3rd time. That's a total of 16 pieces because she wanted it to be a bit larger than my knotless box braids I did with a canacolon extension. So this is yarn, so you have to count it to know how many pieces to use, and you have to measure it when you get to the end or to the tip of the hair where you want it to end. You have to measure it with the others so it won't be longer than the other parts you've already braided. So once you've gotten to the tip of the hair, you want to just tie it down so it won't unravel. And yes, if you're seeing me for the very first time or you're hearing my voice for the very first time, my name is Glory and you're welcome to join the family by subscribing, clicking on the notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos, and like this video, share this video with your friends and family members. Thank you. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I love you. Thanks for watching. Kisses. So knowing the pieces of yarn braids you're using or yarn you're using to make this hair, either large, small, medium, or whatever size you decide to use, will help you get that equal parts you need. So some parts won't be larger or a bit larger than the other parts, and you have something of an equal semblance. I don't know if you guys understand. So like I said, for these large parts we used 16 pieces for each hair we braided, 16 pieces each. And when you get to the tip of the hair, tie it down, then you use your scissors to cut it off. Because this video is short, it was like an impromptu hairstyle. My friend just came to my hostel and she was like, Glory, I want to make my hair, and I was less busy, so I had to just do it, and I wanted to show you guys how I did it, so here it is. And when you're done braiding, this is what your hair should be looking like. Okay, she's excited, I'm excited. This is what your hair should be looking like. She has tender scalp and I didn't want it to be too tight, so here it is. So after cutting it, this is what it should look like again. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.